Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. Leos. So let's see what are these cards, guys, for your general energy. We have three of suns in reverse, the magician, and 10 of spheres. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or it may be a situation in your relationship. So today in your situation, guys, there are people whom you cannot trust, someone who has hidden motives, they do not have positive intentions towards you. And maybe you are seeing some troubles, maybe you have lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. You are someone holding an important place in your work or in your personal life, and you have a lot of responsibilities and you are using all your skills and talents, determination, willpower to work hard to see success or to complete your responsibilities, guys. And you have that clarity, maybe in any decisions, whatever needs to be done, you think it out, think it hard, then decide. You are not going for that impulsive actions. You make a clear decision every time, guys, and you know what is happening in that circumstance, the truth, and you are making clear decisions today. Something you feel really confident about, and something you are really certain. You have that certainty in your situation, guys. And Leos, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, guys, these energies. And I also see that you are, what to say, balancing, finding that true balance and harmony in your career and in your personal life. You are, what to say, having a good time with family, enjoying their company. Maybe you are planning a holiday with them, maybe to travel somewhere, spend some time with this person you love, or spend some time with your family. So some kind of plans you are making today, guys, Leos, and you simply love to be around your family members, your friends, your parents, siblings, or this person you love. So you have that happiness when you are with them, that sense of security when you are with them, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. It is Four of Suns. So with this card, guys, in your love situation, this may be something to do in your, maybe this person may feel this way or you may feel this way, guys, towards them. So maybe today you know what this person is, guys, maybe their place in your life, their values, and their worth. You have realized how much this person is needed for you in your life, and you value their place, you value their advice, and you feel really happy for having found this person you love. And for some of you, you are meeting this person after a long time, guys. Maybe they were away, you were in a long distance relationship, and maybe you were waiting for them to come to you or come towards you during holidays. So this may be the time You are, what to say, it's something like a reunion, happiness and joy. That is what you are experiencing today, guys, Leos. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is the moon. So in your career you have lot of dreams and aspirations, and the best thing of all that is, guys, you are having your intuitive guidance today. So if you have something telling you what is the right thing to do, you need to go for it, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card. Or we have these crystals. So we have 3 crystals. You can either think with the cards or the crystals. So go for that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card for you all after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who have chosen this card and this crystal, let's see what it is. It is Sacred Convergence. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, in your life now, right now, there is a great progress happening, guys. Something that is helping your soul to grow, or there is some kind of divine awakening. So you are asked to drop the barriers or defenses you have towards the people you feel good with. Maybe there are friends and family members you feel really comfortable with, happy to be with. And however, there are few people who are maybe inspiring you in a negative way. They are involving you in some kind of a blame game, trying for that manipulation, something that is dampening your spirit or dragging you down. So you need to step away from that, guys, and you need to feel nourished when you are with people you love, and share yourself without fear. Just be without any plans. Just do your part. Everything is going to happen at the right time, guys, and there is a great spiritual gift being presented to you now, guys. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance that there is a possibility of a very positive relationship happening today in our situation, guys, and growth of love. So just you need to make that choice. Trust yourself and your intuition, and then make the choice. So that way you will get lucky. You will find the person you simply love to be with whom you feel really nourished and happy. So that is the energy, guys. So maybe for some of us, when we step away from people who have a negative impact on us, we are going to lose many people, and there are just going to be few honest, truthful people in our situation. But we need not worry. These people are our soul family, guys, and they are going to nourish our souls, make us emotionally complete. So that is the reading, guys, with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the reading with the second card. This is your second crystal, and this is your second card, guys. So it is amber. So, with this crystal spirit, it just means that whatever lessons that we have learned with our experience, our past experience, we always have a choice in our relationship whether we can stay or move away, to learn, to grow, or to move on to a new relationship. So, if you want a different kind of a relationship and if you want it next time, you need to understand what went or what happened in your past relationship, guys. So, those lessons or that wisdom is going to help you to avoid repeating the pain again in this present relationship or in your future relationships. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. So, you need to go for that wisdom or learning in your situation today or in your past, whatever you faced. You should try and learn that lessons, whatever happened to us, so that way we will not make the same mistakes again. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is the reading. So, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, let's see what it is. It is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation there is something tempting you, something which looks like a gift, wrapped up like a gift, but in truth, it is a poison, guys, poison for your soul. So you need to think again and again before accepting that gift. So you need to refuse what is being presented to you, guys. Maybe it may be in the form of a relationship or it may be in the form of some offers or opportunities. So you need to find your own way to power, knowledge, to love and wisdom. But if you have accepted that poisoned apple, do not be afraid. You will recover, guys, but the pain you go through is going to give you that gift of experience and clarity in your heart about your relationship, guys. So you are going to change for the better with that learning. So maybe it is time, if you can avoid, it is time you need to be very careful, guys. And you need to examine the sources of your information and ideas when you are getting some from people. And you should not have too much trust or on anyone or in any given circumstance. You should think twice before you step into some important decisions today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.